Okay, so we're out in the garden, and today I decided to harvest my lemongrass because we're going to have frost soon. Actually, we've already had a little bit of frost, but it didn't get the lemongrass completely. And so I wanted to show you how to cut your lemongrass. So you need to make sure that you wear gloves because lemongrass can, it's the edges of it can cut your fingers. So you got to be really careful. And then I've just got my Felcos that I'm going to use, and you want to cut them. You're just I've just been grabbing a handful of my leaves. You want to cut them about 6 inches up from the base to harvest them. And I really had not. I'd just been growing to harvest, right? Thinking that at the end of the season I would harvest, and I learned the other day that I could be cutting them the whole time. I could just be cutting them the entire time. And so you just go in and you're going to cut 6 inches above, and then I'm going to go through. You can see what I've cut here. I'm going to go through, and so I've got some leaves you can see that are dying back, or they're not good for harvesting or using or drying. And then you can look. I'm going to sort out my leaves based on the size of the stalk. And so if it's a larger stalk like this is the first year to grow this lemongrass in the garden. And so first year I'm harvesting it. I'm going to try to, hopefully it'll make it through the winter, and then I'll have another set. So I'm thinking as it gets older, the stalks will get bigger, or maybe as I feed it more, the stalks will grow. But I'm going to sort based on the size of the stalk. Hey, Waldo. That's Waldo that you hear. And so they show, what I've seen is you take your stalk and you're going to kind of break it, and then you're going to wrap, not really break, but you're going to wrap your leaves around the stalk, and you can freeze this and put this bundle in soups to get the lemongrass flavor out of. You can also take, and like if it's a thin stalk, if it's a really thin stalk, I'm going to take, and wouldn't you know it, I can't find a thin stalk right now. There's one. And you can chop the leaves up and have just the leaves in the freezer, or you can dry them, chop them up really fine and dry them, or um, you can roll them up similar to this and chop them up. So that's all I got for you right now. We'll see what else I learn about lemongrass. It's used in soups and Asian type foods. You can make teas out of it. So we'll see how the lemongrass journey goes.